a little bite. Whoa, that's pretty amazing. Hey kids, it's me, Echo, and you're watching Echo and Friends. And who's this?
Miles.
Miles. He's my friend, and we have two exciting friends that we want you to meet. Should we go find our friends?
Yeah.
Let's go hunt for them. Indy, Esme, where are they? Where could they be? I hear someone calling me. There they are. This is Indy, and this is Esme. Did you know that Indy and Esme are identical twins? They look almost exactly alike, and they're friends with Miles. And guess what? We are here at Seaquest in Layton, Utah, and we're gonna learn all about different kinds of animals and fishies. And ooh, I see some really big fish over here. I wanna show you kids at home. Look at these fishies. Whoa, those are some big fish. I just heard that there's an otter over here. Oh, how cute. Miles, should we go see the otter?
Yeah?
Let's sneak around the boat and see if we can find the otter. Indy, Esme, I heard that there's an otter close by. Otters are like cute little puppies that swim in the water. Should we look for him?
Yeah!
Come on. Oh, I think I see him in there. Wow. There he is. There's two of them. Wow. Those are just like furry little puppies. Look at them. They love to eat their food.
Yeah, that's right, Echo. We love to eat food, like this little bug I'm trying to catch. Where'd you go, little guy? You sure look tasty. Up there it is. Come here, get into my belly. Oh, delicious. Yeah. We also like a good belly scratch. Oh, that feels nice. Oh, behind the ears too.
Indy, I have a surprise to tell you about. Guess what? Today on Echo and Friends, we have a special surprise for Miles and both of you. We are going to go meet a special animal called a kinkajou. Kinkajous are kind of like little monkeys, but they're more closely related to raccoons than monkeys. And today, we're gonna meet one. Should we go meet the kinkajou, girls?
Yeah!
Let's go that way! Follow me!
We're gonna meet a kinkajou! We're gonna meet a kinkajou! Kinkajou! We're gonna meet a kinkajou! He's not here! Let's see! This way! Come on, let's go meet the kinkajou! This is gonna be a lot of fun! Follow me!
Wow! This is a room where boys and girls just like you get to meet special animals. Look at this animal. What kind of animal do you think that is, girls? A turtle? That is a special kind of turtle called a tortoise.
Do you have smaller ones? I do. So these ones are the large.
Who says tortoises can't be fierce?
We need to wear special suits because kinkajous are so messy. Probably messier than your little brothers and sisters. Yikes! Did you know that kinkajous have a prehensile tail, which means it acts like another limb? They can wrap it around trees or grab onto things. It's pretty cool. Hey, Indy, there he is. Kinkajous love to eat fruit. So this worker at Seaquest is bringing out some fruit so that the kinkajou can have a little snack. Wow, Here he is. Come look at this little guy, girls.
You guys want a chance to feed
Whoa!
Oh, hey, Kinkajou. We would love that. How do we feed the Kinkajou?
So, I'm gonna have you guys hold your hand out flat. I'm gonna put a little piece of fruit in your hand.
Okay.
He's gonna get very, very, see, he already knows.
Oh, he already thinks I have food, huh? Here you go, little Kinkajou. What's this Kinkajou's name?
So his name is Honey.
Honey, the Kinkajou.
Do you wanna feed him?
Put your hand out so that you can have some fruit on it. And Honey's gonna come and take a little bite. Whoa, that's pretty amazing. I bet Indy and Esme would love to have a turn feeding Honey. Should we scoot over so they can have a turn? Hold your hand out just like this, nice and flat. She's gonna put a piece of fruit into your hand so that the Kinkajou named Honey, look, right here, Honey.
Where's my snacks?
It's right here. Right there. Yeah, he's just looking around for this little piece of fruit. There he goes. Wow. What about you, Indy? Would you like to feed the Kinkajou? Let's see that long tongue, Honey. Whoa.
Like, you could just shove it right in my mouth.
Wow, how amazing. Kinkajous come from the rainforests in Central and South America.
The rainforests the Kinkajous call home are lush and green, just like this one. Kinkajous like Honey would call these rainforests home and share them with neighbors just like this snake. Rainforests are home to colorful birds like these, as well as families of monkeys, like this cute little family.
They're also nocturnal animals, which means they sleep during the daytime and they're awake during the nighttime. But guess what? Honey is so excited about getting treats that he's gotten up in the middle of his sleep time to eat some treats. I would love to feed Honey one more time if that's okay.
Of course.
Whoa, Honey, I've got some fruit for you. Oh, wow. Honey, I've got some more fruit for you right here. Right here, little one. Oh, and here's another piece. You're a hungry little Kinkajou, aren't you? Is he so soft? He's a soft little Kinkajou. And he's so good at climbing. He's just climbing right over all of us to get to his food. Do you see how Honey is wrapping his tail around Ashley's neck to use it for balance? That's the prehensile tail that we talked about. Honey, are you a hungry little Kinkajou? Whoa, Honey could live to be really old.
Can actually get to be about 40 though.
That's amazing.
He's like, where am I seeing?
And you said he's about 7 months old? 9 months. So since Honey is about 9 months old, that means Honey is just a little kid Kinkajou, just like Miles, just like Esme, and just like Indy. Here, put your hand out for some fruit. Honey is a type of animal called a frugivore, which means it's an animal that kind of eats everything like an omnivore, but Kinkajous have a very high preference for fruits. That's why we're feeding Honey some fruits, because it's his favorite. Now, we're on our way to another exhibit to look at some different kinds of animals. What did you find, Esme? A turtle? That's right, there's 3 turtles. 1, 2, 3. 3 turtles. Guess what? Behind you is a creepy, crawly, big snake. Come take a look at him. Whoa. Look at that. Miles, do you see how he's sticking his tongue out? That's how reptiles smell. They stick their tongue out of their mouth and taste the air and bring it back in and touch it to the roof of their mouth. And that's how they smell particles in the air. And look at these animals that Indy and Esme found. Whoa, what are these things? The silky originated in ancient China, and they're so soft and nice. Guess what? There's a giant snake in this enclosure, and one of the zoo workers is picking it up for us to see. Wow! Can you wave at the snake? Hi, snake! Hey kids, should we go check out some more animals? Yeah, let's go! Wow! And here is a giant Galapagos tortoise that I'm gonna ride. Yeehaw! Do you kids want to ride the tortoise? Come on up. The Galapagos tortoise is the largest tortoise on Earth, and it's only found in the Galapagos Islands in the Pacific. That's pretty amazing. They actually grow to be this big. Let's go check out the last of the animals in this exhibit. Come on, little ones. Indy, Esme, come look at these fish. Wow. These are a type of pipefish, and they swim vertically up and down in the water column. They live on coral reefs, and they've got some friends who live in the sand. You can see them poking their heads out. This is pretty cool. Did you girls know that that is a coral reef exhibit? Coral reefs are one of the most diverse ecosystems on the planet. It's full of little fishies, and sometimes on coral reefs, you can find sea anemones, like these over here. Sea anemones are homes to clownfish. Clownfish live in the sea anemone and are protected by its sting by a thin layer of mucus that covers the clownfish's body. Look, there's some dory fish also. I also see something so tiny, tiny and cute. Come here. I'll show you, Miles. Look at these poison dart frogs. They're so colorful. I see another ocean animal called a stingray. Look at that. And I also see a shark. This type of shark is called a nurse shark. And here are the stingrays. They probably think that I have food, so they're coming up to say hello. Hi, stingrays. Whoa. Hey girls, do you see these stingrays? They're coming up to say hi to us. Hello. Well, kiddos, we're sure glad that you joined us on another episode of Echo and Friends. Parents, you can follow us on Instagram at Echo and Friends, and, well, we've got a lot more adventures like this for you coming up. We'll see you guys later. Bye.